So I'm Carlos with Dalinghaus Construction. My role for the company is a field manager and trainer. A day for me in the field is visiting job sites, basically meeting with the crew, seeing how the project's going, meeting with the clients, seeing how their experience is going, training some of the new hires in the field, basically kind of just an oversight field manager, just supervising the projects, making sure the project's going as smooth as possible. So as far as my aspect, helping the customers with problems, most of the time I'll meet and greet the homeowner as I arrive on site after the foreman's already formally introduced himself. With me, I'm kind of just as a second guarantee, just to kind of talk to the homeowner, reassure they don't have any other questions, make sure the foreman has fulfilled any questions or expectations for the project. But I would say to help with major problems is just making sure the crew is running as efficiently as possible, so that way it's less of a headache on the homeowner itself. So the most fulfilling part of my position with Dalinghaus Construction almost relates to my previous work as an Army soldier. I was infantry, so I used to train a lot of soldiers and I loved seeing them grow. And with Dalinghaus Construction, I started as a laborer from day one, so I like to really train the guys, see their potential, and watch them grow as individuals to foreman or higher positions. I really like to see the company build from the ground up. So family for me out here in California, I moved out here from Iowa about 7 years ago, and me and my wife got married last year. Due to the pandemic, we're actually having the ceremony this year. We actually just bought a home here locally. Been up and running since then. No kids yet. I do have a cat, so that's our fur baby for now. So for fun, we really like to work out. We work out in our garage a lot. We try to get outdoors as much as we can. We love going camping. I try to go fishing every possible weekend I have free. For downtime, I like to play video games and just kind of, sometimes I like to be a homebody, so we stay at home and just kind of binge movies and stuff like that. Some fun facts about me: I've been in this industry since 2008. I sidelined that alongside with serving in the Army National Guard for 7 years, so I was doing both at the same time, which I think both kind of fed into each other. I learned a lot from the military that I could bring into the civilian side, and also while working the civilian side, I got to implement a lot of that into the military as well. So I've definitely gotten a lot of experiences from different angles, which I think makes me a pretty valuable team player. So after telling you guys a little bit about me, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you get a little bit more insight to the Dalinghaus family. If you guys do have any concerns with any construction, foundation issues, feel free to give us a call, and we'd like to introduce you guys to the Dalinghaus family.